This is the house. You walk in, and there's another door here. Whoa. Okay. When you walk in, you go to the left, and this is the living room. Okay. This will be Dania's room. She has a fireplace. On the side, this is how big it is. Okay. These doors have locks, yeah. This is Dania's half bathroom here. Okay, when you walk out, you go to the left, and this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen door. Okay, walk in. Where's the light? Oh. Okay. Nice light fixture. A cabinet here. Countertops. This is the full kitchen. Okay, back here is the back door. This is, I guess, where we both park. Me and Jade. We walk down. There's an entrance to the basement over here, straight back. This is the back of the house. Okay. Straight ahead. Over here is the bathroom that we just came from. Now we'll go down to the basement. This is the bedroom. There's a lock on these doors. Yeah, there is a lock. There's a closet over here. Here's a little storage closet. This closes. Another little small closet. Windows. Okay. Basement. Then there's like a living room here. With the door that leads to outside. Here's a little underneath the stairs. Bathroom.